all passengers. Always hold on to the safety handrails. Ingatan po natin ang ating mga personal na gamit gaya ng bag, cellphone, wallet at maging ang stored value card o single journey ticket na gagamitin sa paglabas ng mga istasyon o terminal ng tren. Please secure your personal belongings such as bag, cellphone, or wallet, as well as the stored value card or single journey ticket that you will be using to exit from the stations or terminals. Panatilihin po natin ang kalinisan at kaayusan sa loob ng tren. Mahigpit din pong ipinagbabawal ang kumain, uminom, at manigarilyo sa loob ng tren. Please keep our trains clean. Eating, drinking, and smoking are strictly prohibited inside the train. Paparating na sa Carriedo Station. Approaching